to the airport. Campigoda. 1 hour, 8 minutes. Hatid na namin sila.
I want to make my house
Rainbow. Like this. Look at their houses.
No,
There's
I
so many
want
lights. You want to.
red.
Ang nice naman. Fiesta nila ngayon. Panathur Village Festival yung nakalagay. It's their fiesta. Okay, you can sit there. Next time we will go to Patna. You can sit down there, okay? Say bye-bye, Daddy Gina. Love na, Daddy G. Love, Daddy Gina.
Say yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
Pranam, Daddy. Pranam, Papa. ठीक है मामी. Thank you.
अच्छा से रहता है। हाँ ठीक है। वहाँ पे थे।
Yeah, mommy. The entrance. Bye, Daddy Gina. Mishi.
Bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Please, Daddy. Please, Daddy.
Daddy will give massage next time. Okay, look, Daddy Gina. Daddy G, will give massage next time.
Daddy ji going. Say bye, Daddy. Say bye, Daddy. Say bye, Daddy. You kiss, Daddy. Bye.
Bye. Bye, mommy. Mag-hug pa daw si Mishka. Ayan silang dalawa. Nagbabay na sila. We are done with the drop-off. For the last few weeks, we've been dropping off our family at the airport. Sabi ko kay Abby, kasi nalulungkot na naman siya. 2 of us are the ones who's always away from our parents. Sabi niya, our fate is
Somehow is same.
same. Pareho kami ng kapalaran sa buhay. That's why maybe we are meant to be. 6:31 pa lang pala. Breakfast time, guys. Dito na kami mag-aalmusal. Si Mishka nakapangtulog lang yan kasi nung nagising siya kanina, nung umalis kami umiiyak. Wala na kaming chance pa magbihis sa kanya. So, nag-jacket na lang. We're taking out Mishka's baby stuff. We're thinking to sell this. Tapos yung stroller. Go. Nanghihinayang ako na ibenta yung mga gamit ni Mishka. Kaya lang, we are about to leave and para less yung bagahe namin. Why do you want to sell Mishka stuff, Gane? Baby stuff?
I don't actually want, but we have to let go now. How long will we carry? I don't want to sell this.
But then?
We have to let go.
Ito din guys, yung crib na to, ile-let go ko na. Hindi to masyadong nagamit ni Mishka. Meron kasing isang Pinay, si Janice. Mga anak na kasi siya. So, nagtanong siya sa akin if binibenta ko ba yung crib. So, i-ano ko to, i-assemble. Then, pakita sa kanya if gusto niya. Para, ano, mag-let go. It's time to let go na lang. Sabi ni Abby, if mga anak ka someday ulit, bibili na lang tayo ng bago. Yung mga gamit lang na binili namin ni Afi kasi yung mga regalo kay Mishka parang ang hirap i-let go, tapos yung mga taong nagbigay naglaan ng pera, ng effort para ibigay sa amin. So parang ayokong ano, ewan ko ba? Parang bigayan out of love eh. So itong mga nabili na lang namin. Press to unlock. Nahana na Mishkang sumakay ulit sa crib. Ito na yung itsura niya. Maayos pa talaga ito guys kasi hindi naman talaga to siya yung overused talaga. Tapos after nung paggagamit ni Mishka, tinago ko talaga siyang mabuti. So malinis yan. So kukunin to ni Janice para magamit na din and hindi masayang. Pero yung mga regalo kay Mishka like ito, yung upuan niya, itatago ko to. Hindi ko to i-let go. Kasi maganda ito, tapos mahal siya. If magka-baby man kami ulit sa future, I don't think bibili kami ng ganito kamahal. So, hindi ko siya i-let go. Tago ko siya ulit. Papakita ko sa inyo yung aking nail art ngayong araw. Tingnan nyo. Yung anak ko yung naglagay nito. Sabi niya, gusto niya rainbow color for mommy. Sa iba't ibang kulay. Diba? Perfect din naman yung pagkagawa niya ng aking nail polish. Hindi ko na kailangan magpa-manicure sa iba kasi magaling yung aking anak. 5:30 na ng hapon. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapag-vlog. Actually ngayon, medyo parang nawawala ako sa mood mag-vlog. Kasi nasistress ako kasi ang dami ko pang mga pending na mga vlogs. I know that most of you will understand. Pero kasi minsan merong mga nagko-comment talaga na late na itong vlog na to. Kaya lang, if napanood nyo yung mga vlogs, ang dami naming ganap, like biyahe. And sa pagbiyahe pa lang, nakakapagod. Tapos mga ganitong mga nagta-travel kami. Ayaw ni Abhi na like nag-edit ako, nagtatrabaho. Mag-vlog okay lang. Pero yung mag-take time para mag-edit habang nagbabiyahe kami, ayaw ni Abhi. More days. Kasi gusto niya na dapat present ka, physically, mentally present ka kung nasaan ka. So, ayaw niya na nag-edit ako while nagbabiyahe kami. Kaya, ang dami kong pending ng mga vlogs, guys. Kasi after din ng pagbiyahe namin, nakakapagod sa katawan yung pagbiyahe. So, instead na yung time ko na makapag-edit ng video, pinapahinga ko kasi nakakapagod talaga siya. Sa totoo lang. So, I hope you understand kung bakit medyo late yung mga upload ko ng vlogs. Tinatry ko talaga na mag-daily vlogs para everyday meron akong upload. Yung mga pending na mga vlog, ma-upload ko ng ma-upload. Pero minsan, hindi talaga kaya. May days talaga na parang pagod na pagod yung katawan ko. So, hindi ako nakakatapos mag-edit. So, yun lang. Sana naintindihan nyo guys kung bakit medyo late yung mga upload. And hopefully, magkaroon ako ng maraming energy everyday na mag-edit, mag-vlog. Kasi in the coming weeks din, medyo magiging busy din kami. So, yun lang yung hinihingi ko. Sana maintindihan nyo kung bakit medyo delayed yung mga vlogs natin. Tinatry ko actually na pag wala naman kaming mga ganap, hindi na ako nag-vlog para hindi mapending yung yung mga vlog. So, ngayon, maghanda na tayo ng para sa aming hapunan. Meron akong dal. So, yung partner na lang ng dal yung gagawin ko. Gagawa ako ng nuggets, veggie nuggets. Tapos, maglalagay ako ng paneer. So, lahat ng to, including itong green peas na to, pakukuluan ko silang lahat. Tapos, tsaka ko siya lalagyan ng egg, flour, at yung aking mga seasoning. Dito na yung anak ko tutulong. What are you going to do?
Help mommy.
Yung aking beetroot, last week pa to, so kailangan ko na siyang gawin. Niisip ko kasi sana mag-salad. Hindi ko siya magawa-gawa. Sobrang busy ng life. Pwede naman siyang i-grate ko na lang itong mga veggies na to.
Ma-ivy bag, okay?
Okay. Pero I think mas madali. Napakuluan ko na lang lahat. Less trabaho. So, this one. I'll tissue. Put green peas here.
Okay.
Slowly, slowly. It is frozen.
Coffee.
Yeah. If it's frozen, it means it's ice.
Ice.
Yeah. Look, it's cold.
It's hard.
Huh?
It's hard.
We're going to eat this. Veggie nuggets. You want nuggets or not? You want nuggets or not?
It's ice.
Yeah, it's ice.
It's ice.
Yeah. Show them that it's ice. Tell them. Pinapakita niyo sa inyo guys that it's ice. It's frozen.
Yeah.
It's very cold.
Yes. What?
What is that vegetable, How? What vegetable is that?
Peas.
Peas. And this one?
So big, so big.
Not so many. I think that's enough. Let me.
Why are they so big?
I think that's enough. Put cauliflower there.
This one?
Yeah, put inside.
I don't like this one now.
That is cottage cheese. That's good. You can eat that.
Nothing.
So here's our veggies. Let me wash this. Wash your hands, look.
Mom, I must help
Okay.
you. Mommy.
Then we'll add salt.
Eyes. My eye was sore. Me too. See, even inside.
Yeah, don't touch Namashi.
Little piece. Little piece, mommy.
Come on, we'll wash this.
Little piece, mommy. Little piece, mommy.
Habang nagpapakulo pa ako ng mga gulay, medyo matagal pa kasi yung pagluluto. Ito muna yung snacks ni Meshka. Alas 6 na, pero I'm sure matatagalan ako sa pagluto. So ito muna yung kanyang makakain.
That we have to boil, huh?
My husband is home.
Is it boiled already?
Yeah, it's boiled.
Do we have?
Ito yung vegetables na pinakuluan ko. Yung plano ko is veg nuggets for Mishka. Pero merong ibang plano din itong asawa ko eh. What's your plan?
I could have bought some spinach also, no?
Spinach, palak.
Yeah.
Gagawin niya daw na pav bhaji. That's why he bought this bun. But this is so big bun. This is burger bun. Tapos meron siyang mga binili niyang gulay, papaya, okra. What's this? Mais? Corn. Yeah, corn. Corn. Hindi English. Tagalog yung sabi ko. Yeah, corn. Only one? For Mishka because Mishka likes corn. Papaya, ayan. Patugord. Mango. Garlic. Kasi wala na kami garlic. Yeah, this is the best garlic. Kasi kadalasan nakikita namin yung maliliit na garlic. Green na eggplant. green chili, what else? Lemon. This is nice, han. Kadalasan na makikita mo kasi sa tindahan, yung maliliit na garlic. Ito yung mga malalaking garlic. What's that? Ah, butter. Very good, Daddy. You get us big garlics this time.
That's why you're telling you, don't buy garlic.
Oo. Kasi pag-order din kami online, yung available is yung maliliit. Ang hirap mag-peel. Oo. It's easy to peel.
Just put it.
Come on, let's do this. Pero kukuha ako dito ng konti, guys, para sa kay Mishka. Gagawan ko pa din siya ng nuggets. What? Daddy will toast it. Wala yan silang pinipiling lugar eh. Hi! Hi! Kahit saan, basta may music, sasayaw yan silang dalawa. Now, let's start preparing. Ito yung para sa kay Mishka, guys. Konti lang to. That's enough for her. Ito yung para sa amin. Sabi yung bahala para sa aming puff bhaji. Yung akin is yung kay Mishka.
Okay, princess.
Well, me. Mash, mash.
You were saying earlier vada pav, huh? And later on you were always getting confused between vada pav and pav bhaji.
between two.
I was thinking that why you need to boil like mixed veg. Vada pav is like potato and onion and coriander only.
Now my clue is bhaji. Bhaji is mixed veg curry. And our favorite series, nag-showing na siya last 28. Yung title niya is Panchayat. Season 3 na siya. Sobrang trending siya dito ngayon sa amin. We've been watching that since 2 years ago. Kasi makaka-relate kami eh. Kasi yung story nun is yung lalaki, parang inassign siya sa village. And naranasan namin ma-assign sa Abhi doon sa Bagalport diba, sa village. That's why very, relatable.
Like how a guy who has done engineering with so big dreams landed up in a government job where he is supposed to serve his village.
Yeah, he's
Small
assigned to a very rural area. So, makaka-relate kami. So, we've been eagerly waiting for the season 3 of Panchayat. And marami talaga yung nanonood niyan ngayon. So, ito na yung kay Mishka. I will add egg. Ito na yung magiging nuggets ni Mishka. Tapos, ito naman yung amin. She's crying already. Naglalaro yan ng hula hoop. Nasaktan na naman siguro. So, ito na yung aking mga na-form na nuggets ni Mishka, guys. Ready natin yung aking mantika. Maliliit lang to eh. Nugget size talaga. Hindi na pala ako naglagay ng egg dito kasi konti lang yung aking mga vegetables. Magiging basa siya if magdadagdag pa ako. Malapit na kami matapos, guys. Busy dito sa aming stove. Ito na yung aming bhaji. Your chicken nuggets is here. Tapos dyan naman yung aming bun. You will check? Okay. Where's your chicken nuggets? Yummy! Ready na yung aming hapunan, guys. Ito yung sa amin. Yung bhaji. Tapos mag-squeeze lang ako ng lemon dito. Tapos ilang bun ba yung nilagay natin? 3 bun. Tapos ito naman kay Mishka, yung kanyang nuggets and yung kanyang dal and rice. Iba-iba kami ng hapunan eh. Usually si Mishka yung naiiba. Come on, let's eat now.
Daddy said,
What did you say, Daddy? Kumakain na yan. Let's go. He's been waiting. We're going to watch Panchayat.
Daddy said,
Is it? Okay.
Hi, Nikki. Hi, Anibaya.
What they are doing now?
Say hello me.
They say hello to you. Namaste, Daddy G. Say.
Show Daddy your rainbow nail paint.
You can rainbow nail painting. Show me your nails.
हाँ खुद से ही लगाई है.
Daddy with Nikki, Anibaya.
Which one?
This one, yes.
The aming book for tonight is this.
What is that for?
This book is Disney Junior Stories.
This one is my book.
Yeah, that's your book.
This one is Korea book.
No, it's your book. It's from Ate Sophie. Ate Sophie gave you that.
I did next time.
You?
Next time.
No, you can read now.
Okay.
Let's read that. Good night, everybody. Say good night here. Mishi.
Like, iyak. My video, iyak is yeah.
You like
Like,
and subscribe.